I'm Professor Dr. Shahzada Bakhtyar Zahid. I'm Dean Rehman Medical Institute. At Deanery at Rehman Medical Institute, we've always been trying innovative strategies for teaching and training. These days, various methodologies are being used, which include flipped classroom, artificial intelligence, virtual reality, augmented reality, and simulation is also a part of these sort of innovative strategies. Now, coming to medical learning, that is the most delicate part of teaching and training because that has to be carried out on human beings. And the probability of making a mistake and learning from your mistake on a human being, that is the big stake here. So simulation takes that element away, allows the student to learn at their own pace. The students are allowed to make mistakes, assess their own capacity, and then learn from their mistakes and then repeat. So this is the beauty of simulation, that you are doing all the things that you're supposed to do in a real world environment, but without any hazard or risk to the real patient. So for that, we have arranged several workshops, and keeping in mind the sort of situations that arise in real world where high risk patients have to be dealt with and the trainees have to be trained on them. So what we are doing is we are doing 7 different workshops, and although they are open for everybody to register if they wish to, but it is target audience that we would like to have because there are only limited slots. The advantage of this is that fear of making a mistake and causing harm goes away when you are doing it on a simulation week. And the best thing is that the equipment that we have is very high-tech equipment. It almost resembles the real world situation, gives real-time feedback, and gives a good opportunity for learning from your mistakes and then retrying. The facilitators who are coming, who have very kindly consented to be part of this simulation week, are highly accomplished faculty, both from outside RMI as well as RMI itself. And I'm sure this would be a tremendous learning opportunity. I wish when we were students we had such opportunities, but things have moved on now, and I strongly encourage all the training medical officers, house officers, all the students of our nursing college, rehabilitative sciences, allied health sciences, and any other domain who would like to register in these workshops so that they can have maximal benefit. This week will go on from the 3rd of June till the 10th of June, inshallah, and we look forward to seeing you there. Thank you.